Now, guys and girls, this is how more properties in the UK need to be purchased and sold. So this is our committed transaction sale process. You might have heard me talk about this in the past or do post about it on social. It's amazing, right? So this is a empty bungalow. The owner, I believe, because Steph's dealing with it, I think they've gone into a care home, um, and we've marketed the property in exactly the same way as we market every property. Great photographs, great promotion, correctly priced, put it into the market. The difference with this sale method is that the buyer is expected to pay a 1% reservation deposit. And in return, the seller has produced a full, massive, complete legal documents pack, right? And if I show you something quickly, when you log in, and then we go back to the lot, all the legal docs are there for everybody to see and download who registers to download them. Really important. So all the things that take 3 months for most conveyancing solicitors to achieve, with searches and all that kind of stuff, everything's in here. Inquiries for a fence certificate for the windows that can be cropped up the week before exchange of contracts. That's already in the pack. Cavity wall insulation guarantee. It's amazing, right? We've just had a really interested buyer want to make an offer, knowing that when the offer is accepted, they place a 1% deposit and then they get exclusivity to buy exchange contracts on that property for 28 days. They're cash buyers, and this is what they've done. They've created an account, they've began authorization, they verified mobile, proof of address, proof of identity, agreed to the terms and conditions that just sets out the terms of the purchase. They're registered to pay their 1% deposit. So in this case, it'd be around £6,000 paid as a commitment payment, hence why we call it committed transaction. Done the anti-money laundering checks, given explicit approval. Now what she needs to do, which she's going to do this afternoon, is log in, place her offer formally. Once it's placed, the 1% deposit gets taken off the card. Seller gets a committed buyer. Buyer gets a committed seller. It all goes through really quick because, as I explained, all the legal documents have been done already. More houses should be sold like this to avoid the billions of pounds wasted in aborted property sales because things crop up later down the line. It's all there for everyone to see from the get-go, not waste any time, not waste any money. If you need any help achieving this, get in touch with our team. Steph's handling this one. She's done amazing and would love to help. Take care.